Welcome to the Haven Penthouse Suite 14738 on the NCL Joy. Enjoy these pictures, and I'll be back at the end of the video to give you a quick review and my comments on what I thought of the room. So, what did we think of this beautiful room on the NCL Joy? As you can see, it's extremely spacious. It was one of the best parts. Typically, when you're on a cruise ship, the cabin can be pretty cramped. And as you can tell, this was the opposite of that. It did come with this Nespresso machine, which was lovely in the mornings to get started with our day. On embarkation day, there was a bottle of champagne to greet us as well, which was a nice touch. The upgraded bedding in the Haven was extremely comfortable. We even had a pillow menu so that we could choose to our comfort, which was fantastic. Again, you can see that it's very spacious. Here's the cabin door. And as you come in, you have this massive closet that has so much storage. We were on a 3-night sailing, so we didn't need all of the storage, but for longer sailings, this would be an ideal feature to have to store away all the clothing and all the things that you're going to bring on board with you. The bathroom, again, was ample space. We really enjoyed the double vanity so that we could each have our own faucet when we were preparing for bed. We weren't traveling with any kids. It was just me and my wife, but this bathtub might be a great feature. The butlers will even draw up a bubble bath for them. This nice little dining area we found to be extremely helpful at breakfast time, having breakfast brought into the room so that we could ease into our day. Again, you can see it's extremely spacious, a beautiful room, and we would highly recommend sailing in the Haven Penthouse Suite on the NCL Joy.